Do you hate having to spend all weekend mowing the lawn when all you want to do is go riding?
All I want to do is go riding.
Do you hate having the same normal mower as everyone else?
Ugh! Everyone has the same normal mower as me.
Are you sad that you've never received a letter from your HOA?
I don't even live in an HOA.
With the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video, you'll never have these problems again.
There we go. Shouldn't burn oil anymore. Fixed. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Kix Bryant. You may know me from my YouTube channel that has over 400 subscribers. And with my all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video, you will never look normal while riding all weekend. And I'm sure your HOA will send you a letter.
That's right, Kix. With the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video, all your problems will be solved for only 3 easy payments of $9.99 plus shipping and handling.
Wow! Only 3 easy payments and $9.99 plus shipping and handling? You'd have to be crazy not to buy the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video.
That's right, Kix. Only 3 easy payments of $9.99 plus shipping and handling. You would have to be crazy not to buy the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video. Just look at the versatility of this mower that you will build. Here are some of the ways you can use it. And with the simple removal of 3 easy-to-reach engine bolts, it can be used as a toilet for all your mowing toiletry needs. Just look at these testimonials from satisfied customers. But wait, there's more! If you order the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video in the next 7 seconds, we will include an official 6000 STE Trail Mower stencil for free. Just pay separate shipping and handling.
Wow! For free and only having to pay shipping and handling? I will never financially recover from this.
But wait, there's even more! If you order the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video in the next 5 seconds, you will also receive the best-selling Kix Bryant Lifetime Warranty Hammer Handle Kit for an extra 3 easy payments of $9.99 plus shipping and handling. Hammerhead not included.
Wow, all that for only 6 easy payments of $9.99 plus shipping and handling? You can't afford not to order the all-new Kix Bryant 6000 STE Trail Mower DIY instructional video. Order today.